everybody, welcome to my channel. And yes, I went to Walmart. I was hoping Ibotta had some really good deals with the beginning of the month, but they didn't really add a lot of stuff, so I was kind of disappointed in Ibotta today. But I wanted to try to get a bunch of rebates to show you guys. Now, something was going on with my Ibotta account. It wouldn't let me see my teamwork, so I had no idea how many rebates I needed to get to finish level 1. So after I submitted my receipt, it said I needed 10, but I did not reach it between Target and Walmart because, like I said, I wasn't sure, and there's just really not a lot of deals with Ibotta going on right now, but I'm hoping, you know, next week is awesome. So I'm here to just show you guys this deal. Now, I did the Lysol deal again. This goes on for another couple days. I will try to have the link below, otherwise if I forget, just comment and I'll send you guys the link. But this was $4.47, and then it was $1.97 and $1.97. Okay, you guys want to use that Peely coupon if you guys still have it. It was $2 off of 3. You guys would end up paying $6.41 for all 3 of these. But then you guys can submit a $5 credit card from Lysol. You guys will pretty much get it like within 24 hours. Making the final price for this just $1.41 for all 3 of these, which I think is an awesome deal. I've been really cleaning like crazy with these Lysol wipes. It's like now my new thing to coupon for. But the one thing is they send you like a credit card, but what I end up doing is I just go to Target or Walmart and I end up buying like a $5 gift card, and then they instantly send it to you. So I just kind of reuse it. So definitely do this deal if you guys do it. Lysol is just becoming one of my thing, and who need? I have 3 bathrooms. I need toilet cleaner. Ended up getting the soft scrub toilet cleaner. This was $1.98. I used a 75-cent off coupon that we got on coupons.com not that long ago. It's no longer available. I don't know why, but I wrote $1.23. Yeah, $1.23 you guys would pay for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate. I know a lot of you guys think I'm saying ribbit. Rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 48 cents. I thought, you know what, 48 cents for toilet bowl cleaner, why not? Here's an easy moneymaker for you guys. I hate how you can only use 2 coupons, but that's the things that's doing. These are just $3.27. There was a coupon that popped up not that long ago for like 1 day for $4 off a Bic. You guys would end up getting this to be a 73-cent moneymaker. Those coupons do expire in a couple of days, so pay attention. I'm going to try to go back to Walmart. My store only had 3, so I might go to a different store, but free 73-cent moneymaker. I ended up getting the Hershey's Cookies Crunch because I was just sitting at the registers, and the people in front of me, they were not couponers, but they were really rude to the cashier because some of the Christmas stuff didn't come down like what they wanted, so they had to sit there and wait for somebody to come override it. And then they had like 6 gift cards that they were paying with. They spent longer at the register with their stuff than what I did, and I'm like, yay, couponer beats other people, you know. So I was just looking at this stuff. These were $1.34 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you guys would end up paying $2.68 for this, but then you guys can submit a dollar rebate from Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.68 or 84 cents. Not the greatest deal, but I was just trying to see how much rebates I needed, you know, to get it. My cat is obsessed with these Meow Mix. They didn't have the other size box, so I just got the smaller ones. But these were 78 cents. You guys want to use a 55-cent off a 2 coupon. I don't know if it's available anymore, but it was on coupons.com. you guys would just pay $1 for these 4 cups, so 2 packs. Then you guys would submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 51 cents. And I think that's a great deal. So got that for my cat, Paris. The Tic Tacs deal again. These were $1.14. I used that 50-cent off coupon, I think, from like the 10-1 Smart Source. You guys would just pay 64 cents for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this 14 cents. I ended up getting Carmex. These were 98 cents. I used a 35-cent off coupon that you guys can print off of Carmex.com. You guys would pay 63 cents for this. Submit a $1 rebate on 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 63 cents. I ended up getting Purell because I feel like I need to have hand sanitizer everywhere I go lately. These were $1.52 a piece. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $2.04 for the both of these. But then you can get a 50-cent rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.04 or like 52 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. Can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting bread because right now on coupons.com they got the free bread deal. So what you guys do is just buy any loaf of bread that you want up to $2. You can go past $2, but they will only reimburse you for $2. So this bread was $1.98. I wanted to splurge and get some of the really nice bread instead of the Walmart stuff. The Walmart stuff kind of dries up pretty fast for me. But this was just $1.98 and I submitted my receipt, so I'll be getting $1.98 back sent to my PayPal account. So this bread will end up being free. I got more eggs. I've been getting so many eggs. I'm just like, what else can I make with eggs? So this was an 18 pack because it says it goes up to $2.50 or $2 for eggs. So why not get like a large pack instead of the smaller stuff? So this at my store was just $1.53. You guys would pay $1.53, but then on the coupons.com app you can submit $1.50, or you guys can submit your receipt and you'll get $1.53 back with coupons.com sent to your PayPal account. So definitely do that. You know, I think I'm going to be making egg salad sandwiches because I have so much bread and so much butter. And then the last deal I got is this 24-pack of Sierra Mist. This was at my store, $6.98. I never buy any 24 packs of pop unless it's under $5. Very rare I'll pay $6, but I never buy anything unless it's under $5 for a 24 pack of pop, or you guys say soda. So I ended up having 2 deals on my Savings Star. I had a $3 off one and a $3.50 off of one. You can also do a different deal with the 12 count. I just didn't think about getting the 12 count because my kid was being a pain in the butt. So you guys would pay $6.98, but then you guys can submit to Savings Star a $3 rebate and $3.50 if you guys still have that. There's also Checkout 51, but it's either or. You can either do one on one app or one on the other. But I just recently changed my password on Checkout 51, so now I will be able to do both deals on both apps. So if you guys are interested in doing something like that. So the final price for that just came to 48 cents. For a 24 pack. That comes out to 2 cents a can, which I think is an awesome, awesome deal. I'm not a huge fan of Sierra Mist, or it's now called Mist Twist, I guess. But you know what? My husband might drink it, or we can just give it to somebody who wants it. So definitely got that. Before coupons, it came to $36.82. I'm sorry, I've been up since like 5 this morning and it's like freezing in my basement right now. It's like -3 outside and it's just freezing. But after coupons, it came to $23.67. I got $4 back with Ibotta, plus I got $6.50 back with Saving Star, and then $3.51 is coming back from coupons.com, making the final price for everything just $9.66. Comes with 17 items that I got pretty much for 57 cents a piece, and I totally forgot to add that $5 gift card. So it actually comes out to $4.66, which I think is awesome. $4.66 for 17 items. You can't go wrong with that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoyed these Walmart Ibotta hauls. And I will see you guys again for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.